My battery is kaput.
Yeah, it's good doing this, it's actually going to die, isn't it?
Oh, I left my light on as well, idiot. Alright, ready?
Yep.
Go. Hey! Whatever you do, don't stall it now. Now take my glove off because my phone doesn't work with my gloves. Yeah, my battery's kaput. I said, Paul, Rangiora down the road, do you want some dinner? And I turned my bike off. It's hard work pushing a bike in full gear on a hot day. We're here, don't turn the bike off. I can't turn it off, the battery's toast.
Oh
no! Look how beautiful it all is. Keep going. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! It's alright, he thinks I'm okay. So we're okay. Why are you not starting? Good thing we're on a hill. Am I first? Ha! The things you do for the shot! Put that in behind the scenes. That was the fastest battery change in the history of battery changes. Bit of an adventure, but I think we've got there. We'll have a good stop at the gas station, I think. Oh, ha, ha. Ha, 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 ha.
It's more than battery, then.
Ha, 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 no. No! That's bad!
Oh, poor girl. She's being kind to you.
We're doing so well. Does that mean the stator and all that other fun electrical stuff is on the way out? Ah, no! If I put it in gear... Oh dear. This is bad. Set, go. Oh, I'm tiring him out. Oh dear. That's not good. Tell you what, this iteration of the TT21 has everything.
Did your bike survive the night? Did your bike survive the night?
No, it didn't. I took it another car.
Now that it's started, I'm not turning it off for the next 5 hours. It's got diesel. Oh, it's got 91. 91 might be what you'll just have to... There we go, got gas. That's good. Oh, I turned my bike off. Oh, and look, it's frittering out. Crap, I forgot about that. Key on. Ed gear. Go. No! Oh... No! Just work. Oh man. Yeah, I keep missing the concrete, I think. 3, 2, 1, go! Why is it not starting? Alright, here we go. Oh, I forgot to turn the key on! Key on! No! Oh. I gotta stop turning my bike off because that's getting more and more harder each time. They'll be watching the security cameras in the morning. What are these two bumpkins up to? They'll have quite a laugh. Boom, done and dusted. Now I have to do the push start of shame. Just talking to my camera unless it wants to start. Nope. Catch you at the next one. Just gonna walk my bike home. Don't worry about me, everyone, because I'm walking my bike home. Worth a shot.